Hello children, welcome to the online class. Okay, in the last class we have saw some problems. Okay, this is the continuation. Okay, in your book page number 125 there is an example 9.7. Okay, let us read the question first. Okay, a girl of mass 40 kg jumps with a horizontal velocity of 5 meter per second onto a stationary cart with frictionless wheels. The mass of the cart is 3 kilogram. What is her velocity as the cart starts moving? Assume that there is no external unbalanced force working in the horizontal direction. Okay. So they have given the mass of the girl and also velocity of the girl and mass of the cart, and that is in the like in the skating. Okay, skating cart like that. Okay, that cart is at the stationary position. Stationary means it is at the rest. We have to assume that it is at rest. Okay, and its mass is 3 kg. So the initial velocity of the cart is 0. Okay, the initial velocity of the girl is 5 meter per second. Okay, next one. What is her velocity as the cart starts moving? Okay, the girl is jumping on the cart and the cart and the girl also started to move. We have to calculate what is the velocity of the girl. Okay, and also we have to conclude that there is no external unbalanced force working on in the horizontal direction. Okay, let us see the solution. Okay, now mass of the girl. Okay, first we have given us mass of the girl m is equal to 40 kg and mass of the cart m is equal to 3 kg. Okay, next velocity of the girl v is equal to 5 meter per second and velocity of the cart v is equal to, we have to assume 0 because it is at the rest position. Okay, next the total momentum before the interaction. Okay, what is the formula for momentum? That is P is equal to m into v, that is mass into velocity. So we have to calculate the total momentum before interaction. We have to calculate both the momentum for the girl and also for the cart. Okay, so first one for the girl, the momentum 40 kg plus 5 meter per second plus 30 kg. Here also int. So int. Okay, and 30 kg into 0 meter per second. Okay, now the product is 200 kg meter per second and here 3 kg into 0, it is also a 0. Okay, next one, what's the answer? 200 kilogram per kilogram meter per second, because this term will come to 0. Okay, next the total momentum after the interaction. Before interaction means before the girl jumps on the cart. Okay, that is the situation before the interaction, and here total momentum after interaction means after the girl jumped on the cart. Okay, then when it starts to move. Okay, this is the total momentum after the interaction. So the same formula, but we have to we don't know the velocity for both. Okay, because they are moving in the same. Okay, so we have to take the velocity of both the girl and cart is as v. Okay, then we have to add the mass of the girl and the cart. So 40 plus 3 kg, that is m. Okay, 40 plus 3 kg into v. V means velocity. Okay, we don't know that velocity, we have to find that one. Okay, v meter per second. So 43 v into kg meter per second. Okay, next one, according to the law of conservation of momentum. According to the law of conservation of momentum. What is the law of conservation of momentum? The total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after the collision. Okay, just remember that. So we have to equate to these terms. Okay, this is total momentum before the collision, and this is total momentum after the collision. So we have to equate these two. Okay, so 43V is equal to 200. Okay, both the units are same. So we don't mention the unit. Okay, now we have to find the V. So keep this V this side and bring that 43 to the right hand side. Okay, so V is equal to 200 divided by 43. On dividing we get the answer 4.65 meter per second. So V is equal to 4.65 meter per second. Okay children, so the velocity of the girl after the interaction is equal to 4.65 meter per second. Okay, believe that all must be able to understand. And the next one, okay, in your book page number 126. Okay, let us read the problem first. Already I said that children, to solve the problem in the physics you have to read the question very carefully. Okay, the question has the answer itself. Okay, so now read the problem. Two hockey players of opposite teams, while trying to hit a hockey ball on the ground, collide and immediately become entangled. One has a mass of 60 kg and was moving with a velocity 5 meter per second, while the other has a mass of 55 kg and was moving faster with a velocity 6.0 meter per second towards the first player. In which direction and with what velocity will they move after they become entangled? Assume that the frictional force acting between the feet of the two players and the ground is negligible. Okay, what is the situation now? Two hockey players of opposite teams. Okay, they are trying to hit the hockey ball on the ground and they are collide. Okay, collide means they are hit together. Okay, strike together, and entangle means they are interlocked. Okay, interlocked, and the first player has the mass 60 kg and his velocity is 5.0 meter per second, and the other player has the mass 55 kg and was moving that velocity is 6.0 meter per second towards the first player. Okay, this is the keyword children, towards the first player. That is, you have to know that one player is moving in one direction and the other player is moving in the opposite direction. Towards him means he is moving in the opposite direction to the first player. Okay, what they are asking, in which direction and with what velocity will they move after they become entangled? Okay, after the collision, in what direction they will move, and also what velocity, what is the velocity after the collision they are asked. And a note is given, that is we have to neglect the frictional force. Okay, we have to neglect the frictional force. Okay, this is the situation. Now solution. Okay, here also they given some okay, let the first player be moving from left to right. Okay, we have to take that the first player is moving from left to right. Okay, by convention left to right is taken as the positive. Already I said, according to the convention, sign convention, left to right is taken as the positive, and thus right to left is the negative direction. So the first player is moving in the positive direction, that is left to right, and the other player is moving in the opposite direction, that is right to left. Okay, Okay, if symbols m and u represent the mass and initial velocity of the two players respectively, subscripts 1 and 2 in these physical quantities refer to the two hockey players. Okay, because they both we have to mention both the players mass and velocity. So we have to we provide the subscripts 1 2. Okay, for the first player we have m1 and velocity is u1. For the second player, mass is m2 and the velocity is initial velocity is u2. Okay, now let us move into the solution. Okay, now okay we have to take for the player mass m1 is equal to 60 kg and velocity initial velocity u1 is equal to plus 5 meter per second, that is left to right. Okay, next one, for the second player mass m2 is equal to 55 kg and u2 is equal to minus 6 meter per second. So the total momentum of the players before the collision, so we have to calculate the momentum of the players before collision. Okay, that is 60 kg into 5 meter per second. This is for the first player and this is one second player, plus 55 kg into minus 6 into meter per second, because he is moving in the opposite direction, that is right to left. Okay, next the answer on multiplying 300 kilogram meter per second, and here the minus sign will come, minus 330 kilogram meter per second. This is the momentum before collision, and the total momentum after the collision is equal to m1 plus m2 into v. Okay, because we have to find the velocity. Now 60, m1 is 60 and m2 is 55 into kg into v meter per second. Okay, because we don't know the value for v. Now what's the answer on adding 115 into v kilogram meter per second. Next one, according to the law of conservation of momentum, again I am recalling you that the total momentum before the collision is equal to total momentum after the collision. Okay, now so we have to equate these two. Sorry, didn't write the answer. Minus, what will be the answer, ma? Minus 30 kilogram meter per second. Okay, this is the total momentum before collision. Okay, so we have to equate these two terms. So 115 into v kilogram meter per second that is equal to minus 30 kilogram meter per second. So kept this v in the left hand side and bring the value to the right hand side. V is equal to minus 30 divided by 115. So v is equal to minus 0.26 meter per second. Okay, on according to the kilogram both will be cancelled. Okay children, so and these two has the same unit, so we are taking as the 1. Okay, so v is equal to minus 0.26 meter per second. Okay, in this answer also we can mention the direction. Okay, which is the sign here, ma, this is minus sign. Okay, after the collision they are moving with the velocity of 0.26 meter per second, and in the direction as it is in the same of the second player, because the second player is moving in the opposite direction. Okay, right to left. So both are moving after the collision, they are moving with the velocity 0.26 meter per second, and they are moving in the direction as the second player moves, that is right to left. Okay children, this is the solution of the second one, that is example 9.8.